Hey, what is up, guys? This is Sid. Welcome back to Red Affiliate Academy. Today, I'll be showing you how to start with solo ads. I'll just give you a glimpse of how this is done. One, you should have an opt in page, two, autoresponder, and three, the solo ad vendor. If you are new for all these three things, I'll explain one by one in this video. So don't skip this video, do see till end to understand how this is done. The basic idea of this is we get opt-ins, the email IDs, build the list and promote to the list. So how this is done is we do have a vendor who sends you the solo ad traffic. The solo ad traffic is passed on to opt-in page. From the opt-in page you collect emails and later on you pass those emails to autoresponder. Yes, this can be confusing if you are new for all these things. Let's get into my system and see how this can be done. Okay, so this is the opt-in page which I was talking. This can be done using Thrive architecture, any WordPress themes. I do recommend WordPress because it's very simple to use and it's easy to clone these pages every now and then with small changes. So right now, like, this is a opt-in page which I am promoting one of the product of Brendan Mays, that is called as Set and Forget. I have the link, so I just need to promote this offer, right? So how this can be done is create a landing page. In that landing page you need to have a button in a form where you collect email addresses. So the traffic comes to this through one of the vendors. This is the one. Okay, this is the Udemy thing which I am using for solo ad traffic. Okay, so how this is done, everything I will be showing you. This is the landing page. This collects emails. There are a lot of vendors here. I'll be going in depth of all these things later in the series. For now I'm just showing you. So if I click this person, if I think I need to send out like 100 visitors to my opt-in page, I can change anything. I can keep anything over here. The URL will be the same as this page. So what I'm going to say is I'll be sending out 100 visitors to this page, which is this page, and once I collect the email it has to go to certain autoresponder over here. So the emails, you can see the set and forget, right? The emails will come and get collected. So what you need to do is you have to go here, create an account. Then once you create an account you have to create a link to send out. Guys, I'll be teaching you in depth of how to find the sellers in Udemy, but for now let's go pick someone. Here if you see here, right, got sales is 30% and price max is 75 cents per click. And what is this about what marketing is, that finance or things, sales, based on ratings. So these are all promoted. Okay, we can just skip those things. We'll just take the people, actual people. You see, these are the guys who actually gives you a best. You can see here, thumbs up 2841 911. There are a lot of people who do offer, but always choose based on number of people who are giving like they have got sales and price per visitors and percentage of repeat orders. If you see this guy, right, the other guy, see the numbers 51, 59 and 18%. And if you compare these two, who are the best? Who is the best? The best is like Alexander's, right? But his price is quite expensive. Let me put it this way. Top tier, prime filter, it's $100. And the thing is, he's getting sales. If you see here, 30% opt-ins, good solo, great solo, and all these guys have said like they got sales. One sale. So the thing is, like, solo ads, it's like hit and miss, but everything happens, I mean, hit and miss for the first time, but if you have the list, you can keep on marketing to the same solo list, and probably you can crack some sales, right? I mean, this is a short video which I'm giving a glimpse of how things work, but let me also show you how this landing page works. So if I give out my email address, if a solo ad guy comes to your website and gives out an email, what happens is, so he goes to the bonus page which I have created, and from this bonus page you can direct them to your offer. It's loading, that's what I'm saying. Like, you can direct to offer. I think I have shown you bonus page, how it works and all these things. So this is not complicated things, but what I meant to say is, it's always good to choose a right vendor in the solo ad space. I have given the Udemy link below, you can go check it out. And afterwards, always choose the best product. And the second thing is, always choose the best autoresponder. I feel GetResponse is good because it gives single opt-ins. Single opt-ins are really essential when you are running solo ads. If it has double opt-ins, you know what happens? Double opt-in means the email, once the subscriber enters to your email list, an email is triggered from the autoresponder to the person. It may go to spam, it may go to promotional, he may not click it. So what happens? He is not in the list. When it is a single opt-in, he will be in the list once he opts in. Once he opts in using your form, right? So that's it, guys. I know you will have a lot of questions, but this is the overall process, how to get list, how to build the list in an easiest way by using solo ads. It's a paid form, it's not an organic way. But guys, it has its own advantages and disadvantages. During initial run, you won't get any sales, but if you be consistent on putting money on it, you'll be slowly seeing certain results, and that's when you can get daily sales using solo ads. Thank you very much.